everyone, this is Chris once again. You're watching Getting Random with E. Thank you very much for those people subscribing. I really appreciate it, and hopefully more and more people would check my channel and be excited with any random things I will be uploaded. If you are new to this channel and you're just checking me out, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notifications if I have new updates. Now for this vlog, I'll be reacting to the newest commercial of Jollibee. It is Kwentong Jollibee Valentine Series 2019 entitled Choice. Well, there has been several Jollibee commercials released in the past, and may mga Valentine commercials, merong iba na may Mother's Day commercials, and Jollibee is really good in targeting talaga yung emotions ng mga viewers. So, I don't know what this commercial is about, kung paano itatap yung mga previous commercials nila. The last time, yung pinaka-popular nilang commercial for Valentine will be the commercial entitled, parang Superman ba? Basta yung we all thought na this guy is marrying this girl. Turned out na ihatid niya sa altar si girl kasi he's the best friend. Pero nasundan naman siya, diba? Tapos parang lumabas na parang she has a friend naman na dati na siyang gusto, na nasaktan dahil gusto niya yung babae niya dito sa altar. So, magaling ang Jollibee magtahi-tahi ng mga stories. I've cried several times sa mga commercials nila. One that I really like would be yung Mother's Day yata yun, about yung dying dad. Wherein yung dad died, tapos yung anak, yung kadate ni mommy sa Valentine's. No, Valentine's pala yun, sorry. So it's a Valentine, wherein yung kid, yung kadate ni mommy sa Jollibee sa Valentine's. Binilang kasi ni daddy before passing. So yun. Pero this 2019, again, this the newest commercial from Jollibee entitled Choice. So let's see kung ano to. I'll be reacting to the video in 3, 2, 1. I think the cutest mascot of all si Jollibee talaga eh. Mukha siyang mabait. Inspired by a true story. Okay.
Lahat tayo naghahanap ng the one.
Ang pretty ni girl.
Dalawa sila.
Okay. That's why it's choice. Dalawa.
Ang tagal na nung pinagsamahan namin ni Paul.
So the first guy is Paul.
All these years, he's always been there for me.
His college friend.
Uy! Congratulations!
Natanggap ako! Favorite ko.
Of course, may Jollibee.
Si Jay naman, bago lang sa buhay ko.
Ay, pogi din yung Jay.
Pero priority rin niya to make me happy.
That's sweet. The file crashed, tinulungan drawing.
And the burger.
Sure, basta ikaw.
Later I will tag who I like.
Do you trust me?
Oo naman.
This is Jay.
Surprise!
With Paul, iba ang naging connection namin. Kilalang kilala niya ako.
Got your favorite.
Kay Jay naman,
Okay.
somehow mas nakilala ko ang
Actually, the two guys parang are look-alike. Kala ko si Paul yung kanina. Hmm.
I look back and recall those days I had with you.
Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through another day spent.
Another thing with Jollibee commercials, when they choose a song, it's always OPM. And it always works. Magaganda sila pumili ng kanta. Pero Pinoy na Pinoy yung mga songs.
Naniniwala ka ba na sa dami ng tao dito sa mundo, may isang destined para sa'yo?
Oo naman. Actually, I'm looking at her.
Ah. Pero hindi masyadong magaling umarte si Paul.
Han? Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, naniniwala ka ba na lahat sila may isang destined for them?
Bakit mo natanong?
I think Jay is a better actor.
Kasi ako dati, hindi. Until I met you.
Oh my. Yung mga arte ni Jay, mas bet ko. Yung mga pa-sweet niya. Sa mga dialogue. Kilig si babae.
Ang hirap. Pero I think it's time for me to make a choice.
Hey. You okay?
Jay,
Sino ba si Jay? Sino ba si Paul? Nalilito tuloy ako.
first of all, I wanna thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin.
So,
May kaagaw ako sa puso mo.
break na. I know, I mean, busted. Busted si Jay.
And I understand kung hindi.
Oo. It means so much to me.
Aww.
But meron ka na rin lugar dito sa puso ko eh.
Oh,
Never did it grows bigger.
iba. Iba si girl. Oh. Ba't pumogay din yung Paul? Ano ba to? Sige na, I can relate. Why nahirapan siya?
To let go of the past.
Ah, sino yung ano niya? Sino pinili niya?
It will never be the same without you.
And
Pain inside.
aneurysm daw. The doctors tried everything pero he's gone.
Oh my
My son
God.
is gone.
That was 4 years ago.
Ah.
I think it's time.
You mean you're ready to love again?
Ready to
Mm.
love you.
You gave me all the reasons to
Ah, okay.
once I've learned to love again.
Mawalan ka man ng minamahal, hindi mawawala ang pag-asang magmahal muli. Oh. Have faith in love.
Ready ka na?
Huh? Wait lang. Huwag ko iwan.
Ewan ko sa inyo. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, I must say, they did it again. Magaling. Magaling. Very good job. Maganda. That, you know, aside from yung visuals and si Jay and Paul are really good looking, the girl is very pretty as well. Yung story, ano naman siya eh, it's not a very original story. There has been, you know, movies. May mga movies na ganun yung mga nangyari. Pero the way Jollibee laid it during the commercial, parang hindi siya, may reveal part siya. At nung may-reveal na, it really touches the heart. So, I must say, magaling, maganda. Saka, yun. Siguro dahil first time ko pala nakita yung commercial, so I get confused who's Paul, who's Jay. Well, basically si Paul, yung past niya that died, tapos si Jay naman, yung ka-office mate niya. And, well, looking at Paul and how he is dun sa main character, meron talagang ilan ko, no? Yung mga ganun, nakatakot. Pero, yeah, si Jay kasi madami mga pakuluan. Yung mga pakulo niya are really, really romantic. And yung smile niya, very likable. Parang si Jay kasi medyo masungit. Ay, si Paul kasi medyo masungit. Tapos si Jay naman medyo funny. But, yeah, okay, magaling Jollibee. Inyo na. Sige, talagang, you are really good with creating commercials that would make your viewers tear up. I guess naging trademark na nila yan, and I think it's a good trademark because see, everyone is waiting for your commercial. So yun na muna ang aking vlog for the day. Siguro ako personally, I like Jay. The character of Jay, I like it better. Siguro kasi konti na yung presentation for Paul. And face-wise, siguro, Jay din ako. I don't know when you. Sige, comment down below kung sino gusto ninyo. Kung si Jay ba o si Paul. Basta sa akin si Jay. So just be nice on your comments kasi kanya-kanya naman tayong choice. So yan lang na. Thank you very much for watching Getting Random with E. Again, kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe na. Tapos kung subscriber na kayo, you have friends, masabihan naman para mag-subscribe. Thank you very much and bye-bye.